Morning everybody, 9:34, 7 seconds, April 23rd. This is mini number 1 for Detective 359. Over here are the 20 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will get the first 5 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second will get the next 2 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in third will get the next single spot filled in order. All right. Let's roll the 3 dice. The number is only 7. I'm going to randomize 7 times. I'm hoping this video uploads because the last one I ran yesterday, the video, it just disappeared. So I'm hoping you guys wind up seeing this. The verification codes will be posted regardless. So here we go. That's 1. It's weird, but let's try this again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here comes the final one. 7. Aaron Grant comes in first, Justin comes in second, Marco comes in third. So it's 5, 2, 1. Time is 9:35, 20 seconds.